Angel Pies and welcome back to my channel. So firstly, are you loving my Christmas dress? This is actually a dress and I got it from wish.com and I think it's the most extra dress I've ever worn in my life, but I'm kind of loving it. And why not be over the top at Christmas? It is the time I come alive. Today I'm going to be showing you my Christmas tree decoration. So I actually had to wait until the 2nd of December to decorate my Christmas tree. Finally, I mean, if I had it my way, it would have been up in November, but I couldn't decorate it until the 2nd of December because each year I get a real Christmas tree. I completely forgot, but it's something like Norwegian fir or something. It's a real Christmas tree each year. I can't get it before December really, because if I do, the tree is going to die and it will be really sad by Christmas Day. Me and my boyfriend went and got a tree from our local garden centre and we decorated it at the weekend, and may I say it is so beautiful. I think it's so Christmassy. Our theme this year was like real vintage classic Christmas look, very traditional look, very kind of old English country look. That's kind of what we went for. I do absolutely love the themed trees where you get the themed white trees and the themed pink trees or the themed woodland trees. I think they are such gorgeous Christmas trees. But for me personally, I honestly feel like a traditional old-fashioned gorgeous real tree is my favourite kind of tree. I love the colourful lights. I love just expressing my creativity on my Christmas tree, and that is my favourite kind of Christmas tree, a really creative. This is actually my boyfriend and I's first Christmas together, and it's our first Christmas tree together, so we were really excited to decorate it. I will be speaking over the montages and telling you where I got everything or what, just a little bit about each ornament, but I have things from garden centres to Paperchase, I have things from B&Q, I have things from Amazon and B&M and Primark, so it's like a huge range of stuff all on this tree, and it's just sitting there next to me just looking so beautiful. I really just want to grab the camera and show you now, but I want to show you how we decorated it and just give you guys a really Christmassy video, because do you know what? I feel like that is my aim, to make people smile, to make people feel happy, and especially at Christmas, if I can make someone feel Christmassy, I've done my job. I've won, basically. If you do like Christmas time, and also if you like these kind of videos of like homes and hauls and things like that, then make sure you have subscribed and don't miss out on any future videos. I upload every Sunday, Tuesdays and Thursdays, and a lot more in December. So without further ado, grab your cup of teas. I've got a black tea today. I've got my Christmas selection box. Sit back, relax and watch a very Christmassy video. Okay, so obviously when you're decorating the Christmas tree, you need to set the scene. So the first thing I do is light my most festive and gorgeous candles around the house, and I get some Christmas snacks, probably a mince pie. So the first thing we put on the tree are the Christmas lights and also the Christmas ribbon. The lights we're going for this year are multicoloured lights. We got them from a garden centre. They look very glowy on camera because they're LED lights, but off camera they're not as glowy, they're actually quite pretty. So now the lights and the ribbons are on. I think the ribbon looks gorgeous with these lights. It really reflects the light. We are going to start putting on some plain baubles. I always start with putting just plain baubles on the tree because it really fills out any gaps and helps the light reflect off of the tree really nicely. We've just gone for red, gold and green play baubles this year. I also have some of these type of baubles, which are acorn shaped baubles. They actually came in the Sainsbury's pack that I got. I got a pack of 80 plain baubles for this tree, and they put in some acorn shaped ones, so I wasn't complaining. The next type of baubles we start putting on are our more special ones. So these are actually from a garden centre and they were hand painted. I got them last year and I love them. The next baubles we actually got were from Bruges, and these baubles we treated ourselves to from one of the Christmas shops, and the mole represents my boyfriend and the hedgehog represents me because I'm cute but prickly. I actually have lots of these style baubles. These are little Father Christmas printed baubles you can get from any garden centre. And then last year I purchased some mushroom shaped baubles from the Paper Chase sale, and they're so cute. So this bauble is actually a train bauble, and I got it from my nan. She's now passed away, but I inherited it from her. And then I have this avocado and spaceship bauble. These are some of my kind of more creative, more different types of baubles that I like to also have on the tree.
Hey.
So this is tinsel strand, and this actually looks so nice just draped over your tree. I don't like the whole traditional tinsel thing, but I do like the tinsel strands you get. When they're hanging over the branch, they reflect all the light and they just make the whole tree look so Christmassy. P.S. I know it looks like we're arguing here, but we weren't. We were actually discussing the woes of Brexit. Tree topper time. We've gone for an angel this year and she's so pretty.
The angel. Are you ready? Reach it. Get closer.
Don't tip. decorating our Christmas tree. Obviously, if you have any questions, just let me know in the comments down below and I will answer them. And I hope you enjoyed. I absolutely love the tree this year. It is so cozy and Christmassy and just gorgeous, and I just can't stop staring at it. Basically, I love this time of year. It's actually ridiculous. I just love this time of year and I cannot wait to put Christmas presents under that tree. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, make sure you've given it a thumbs up. Subscribe down below so you don't miss any of my future videos. Thank you very much for watching and I will see you again very, very soon. Bye!